Namaskar everyone, I am Shivam from Makanpur village in Indapuram, Ghaziabad. I am here to talk about on a topic which is very important from the eye of the society or social conditions. A film which is trending very fastly. Even our Prime Minister also noticed about it. The name is The Kashmir File. If you see the name file means a event which is forgotten, So it is directed by Vivek Abhinotri ji and a famous character on is Anupam Kher ji. He is going very popular after this film and highly liked by audience. So I will not talk about what's the role, what's the script of film, what's the scene of film and what's the message from film, but I will definitely talk about it is right or wrong. Is this film questions on our secularism? Is this film breaks our system? So for your easily understanding, take an example. You generally drinks two types of juices. Name is mango juice. You say mango shake, which is very tasty, sweet taste, but also healthy for our health. The other juice, neem juice, Kerala juice, which is generally bitter in taste, but also good for our health. So we see there are two different tastes, but they both benefits our health. This same will implies on our thought, on our films. We have different thoughts, but main thing, they both should be beneficial. The first thought is which give us motivation to do something, a message, power, energy, proud feeling, and other thought, regret of history, mistakes of history, reality of events. But they both very beneficial to the growth of our future, not particular our country's future. This same thing our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji talked. They said if anyone presents the true history, why a particular group criticized? A true history, representations of our history, it is a type of Desh Bhakti. It is beneficial of our country's future. No matters. So this is words of Narendra Modi ji. Tell me a thing. You know about Kashmir genocide or massacre before this film. So this is the importance of film. We should know about it. No matters a particular group criticized, no matters why they criticized, but always true is true. We should learn from this. We learn unity is our strength. If we divide, more Britishers, more Mughals, more external powers will rule on us again. So we should live in a unity. Thank you so much. भारत माता की जय. think and aware others.